Did you know that up to 7 million pets enter animal shelters each year, according to the ASPCA? Studies show that a majority of these relinquishments are due to behavioral problems that pet owners are unable to manage or change. Hi, I'm Dr. John McGlone. As a professor and research scientist who's worked in animal behavior research for several decades, I'm excited about the advances we've made in the use of pheromones to help reduce stress levels in animals and the negative behaviors that stress and anxiety can prompt in pets like Callie here. Unfortunately, pet owners have a very limited number of tools to address unwanted behavior in dogs and cats. These tools have fallen into three basic categories: physical restraint or containment, behavioral therapy, such as training, and drugs, such as tranquilizers. None of these tools are ideal. And for some problems, such as separation anxiety and excessive barking and jumping, many pet owners have found these tools to be ineffective. Many years ago, research scientists began to realize that if we understood how dogs and cats experience their environment, we may be able to have a much greater impact on their misbehaviors. That research has yielded some truly useful results, especially in the area of pheromone therapies. Pheromones are chemicals that animals use to communicate information. They're naturally produced by an animal and travel through the air or in liquid form. They're then received by another animal in special receptors made for this purpose. Even a very small amount of a pheromone can have a strong chemical signal and change the behavior of the receiving animal. A dog's olfactory sensitivity, for example, is 20,000 times more sensitive than a human's. By working with nervous or anxious animals with common behavioral problems, we found that some of these pheromones can reduce their anxiety and the problem behaviors that can result. Research has shown that specific pheromones are even able to change specific problem behaviors. SENTRY pheromone products incorporate this research into their patented good behavior pheromone technology. This gives pet owners a new effective set of tools to address their pets' behavioral problems. Issues like inappropriate marking, excessive barking, chewing, and even jumping can now be addressed with products that have been created based on both nature, with pheromones that mimic those found in nature, and science based on scientific study of their effects on pet behavior. With these products, we hope the number of pets taken to animal shelters each year due to behavioral issues will significantly decrease. Take a look at the videos on each of the SENTRY pheromone products to determine which one will best address your pet's behavioral challenges. Best of luck to you and your pet, and here's to a reduction in your stress as well as your pet's.